Ever tried everything for better sleep, blue light blockers, fancy apps, even melatonin, yet you're still staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m.? I've been there and I know how frustrating it is. But here's the twist, the secret to better sleep isn't just in your brain. It's in your gut. And most people completely miss this. Let's break down why your gut could be destroying your sleep and how to fix it. First up, did you know that 90% of your serotonin, that feel-good chemical that helps make melatonin, your sleep hormone, is made in your gut? If your gut's out of balance, your brain simply can't get the sleep signals it needs. So, if you want deeper, more natural sleep, start with your gut microbiome. Number 2. Sugar. Eating too much sugar, especially at night, feeds the bad bacteria in your gut. This ramps up inflammation, throws your body off, and leaves you tossing and turning. Try cutting out sugar 3 to 4 hours before bed. Instead, go for a dinner with clean protein and fiber. Your gut will thank you, and so will your sleep. Third, let's talk late-night eating. If you're eating right before bed, your body stays in digest mode, not rest mode. That means broken, lighter sleep. If you can, make your last meal 2 to 3 hours before your head hits the pillow. Number 4. Inflammation. Gut inflammation can trigger brain inflammation, think leaky gut, or even just bloating. That spike in stress hormone cortisol is a big reason you wake up in the middle of the night. The fix? Ditch seed oils, artificial sweeteners, and those ultra-processed snacks. Number 5. Magnesium. This is the sleep mineral, but stress, caffeine, and processed foods can drain your stores. Eat more spinach, pumpkin seeds, even a square of dark chocolate, or try a magnesium glycinate supplement before bed. 6th, poor digestion means poor sleep hormones. If you aren't digesting well, you're not absorbing what you need to make those vital sleep chemicals. Chew slowly, consider a probiotic or digestive enzymes if you need them. Last, the gut-brain connection. Your gut and brain talk non-stop via the vagus nerve. If your gut is tense or inflamed, your mind can't fully relax either. Try belly breathing or even a quick cold shower to reset and calm your gut-brain loop. Here's the short version: your gut health equals your sleep quality. They're not separate, they're one. When I finally fixed my own internal chaos, my sleep transformed. And that inspired me to build the CloudNap ProBand, a soft, ultra-comfy sleep headband with Bluetooth and active noise cancellation. It helped me, it's helped thousands, and I reckon it'll help you too. Check it out at Mobionix.store. There's a 40% discount and a 30-night trial running right now. And for daily hacks that actually work, follow at Mobionix_store. Better gut, better sleep, better everything. Fix your gut, fix your sleep. Try CloudNap ProBand today.